Welcome to the Financial Works YouTube channel, where we help you find the best ways to make money online. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start a bookkeeping business and earn a steady income from home. Bookkeeping is the process of recording and organizing the financial transactions of a business. It's an essential part of accounting and tax preparation, and it's a skill that's in high demand. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median annual wage for bookkeepers was $42,410 in 2020. That's not bad for a job that you can do from anywhere with a computer and an internet connection. But how do you start a bookkeeping business? What do you need to know and do to succeed in this field? Here are some steps to follow. 1. Develop a business plan. A business plan is a document that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections for your bookkeeping business. It helps you clarify your vision, identify your target market, set your pricing, and plan your marketing. A business plan also helps you secure funding from lenders or investors if you need it. You can find some templates and examples of business plans for bookkeeping online. 2. Obtain necessary skills and certifications. To be a successful bookkeeper, you need to have some basic accounting knowledge and skills. You should be familiar with the accounting principles, the bookkeeping cycle, the financial statements, and the accounting software. If you need to learn or improve these skills, you can do so through online courses, books, or podcasts. You should also consider getting certified by professional associations, such as the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers, AIPB, or the National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers, NACPB. These certifications can boost your credibility and help you stand out from the competition. 3. Set up your office and accounting systems. You will have to set up a dedicated space and equipment for your bookkeeping business. Some of the basic equipment you need are a computer, a printer, a scanner, a phone, and a reliable internet connection. You need to choose an accounting software that suits your needs and preferences. There are many options available, such as QuickBooks, Xero, Zoho Books, Wave, Sage, and more. Make sure you compare the features, prices, and reviews of these software before making a decision. You should also set up a secure backup system for your data and a professional email address for your communication. 4. Register your business and launch your brand. You will need to register your business name and structure with the state and federal authorities. Don't forget to obtain a tax identification number, a business license, and any other permits required by your location. You should open a separate bank account and credit card for your business transactions. To launch your brand, you need to create a logo, a website, a business card, and a social media presence for your bookkeeping business. You will also need to decide on your niche and your unique selling proposition. For example, you can specialize in a certain industry, such as e-commerce, nonprofit, or construction, or offer a specific service, such as payroll, tax preparation, or financial reporting. 5. Market your bookkeeping services and find new clients. You need to promote your bookkeeping business and attract potential clients. You can use various marketing strategies, such as word of mouth, referrals, networking, online advertising, content marketing, email marketing, and more. Don't forget to create a portfolio of your work and testimonials from your previous clients that you can showcase to potential clients. You can join online platforms, such as Upwork, Fiverr, or FlexJobs, where you can bid on bookkeeping projects and showcase your skills. You should always set clear expectations and contracts with your clients, and deliver high-quality work on time and on budget. These are the 5 simple steps to starting a bookkeeping business in 2024 and becoming an online moneymaker. Bookkeeping is a rewarding and flexible career that can help you achieve your financial goals and dreams. If you're interested in learning more about bookkeeping, you can check out some of the resources we've linked in the description below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.